So today we will learn about the relational operator. Okay. Operator makes the comparison between numbers. Okay. For example, if I took A equal 10 and I took B equal 20. If and the suppose first A print A greater than B. So this time is A greater than B? No. So when I save this file, first of all you need to save it. I had saved it. F5 to run. It's written false because A is not greater than B. This is my first relational operator. Second relational operator, I'm making copy and pasting. I'm doing copy paste, but आपको नहीं करना है. Less than. A less than B. Control S, F5. Now this time it shows the true. Then third one, A greater than or equal B. Both the things are not possible. Okay, because here is A is 10 and B is 20. So this time it will return false again. And if I'm doing next one, A less than or equal B. So this time it will return true. My next print is A equal B. Here double equal sign shows the equal operator. Okay. Are these equal? No. So it will return false. Okay. And last operator, that is not equal. Both are not equal. So it will return true. So mainly 6 kinds of relational operator we are using: greater than, less than, greater than or equal. It can be greater or equal. Both the things it will check. Less than or equal. It's simply equal and this is not equal. So when you want to make comparison between two numbers, so these relational operator will work, as you have seen this when we have studied the if function, if statement. Understood? So relational operators has done. And next category of operator is logical operator. Okay. In this case, you need to study and or not. If you want to connect two conditions, and or both will work. But in the AND case, if the given conditions are true, all should be true, then only answer will be true. In the OR case, any one of the conditions should be true. Then it will return true. And not, if the condition is false, it will return true. If the condition is true, it will return false. How I can use it? Suppose I have written print A is less than B and A is not equal 0. It's asking ki A less than B. Yes. A not equal 0. Yes. Both the conditions are true. So that means it will show the true. Okay. And suppose if I had given here equal, then what will happen? False, because one condition is false and one is true. But I want all the conditions should be true for the true result. So when you will see the output, it will return false. Okay. But if I'm using OR here, I'm using OR here. So you know that any of the conditions should be true. A less than B, it's true. A equals 0, false. But one condition is true. So that means it will produce the result true. Understood? And if I'm talking about the not, so what will happen? Print not A, B or A, my last answer is true and not made it false. अगर आपकी कंडीशन जो इंटरनल ब्रैकेट्स में गिवन है और ऑपरेटर के साथ अगर वो ट्रू रिटर्न कर रही है तो नॉट उसको क्या कर देगा, फॉल्स कर देगा, और अगर वो फॉल्स रिटर्न कर रही है तो नॉट उसको क्या कर देगा, ट्रू कर देगा. ओके, सो हियर वी हैव डिस्कस अबाउट द एंड और एंड नॉट. अंडरस्टूड? Now I'm going to tell you how can we assign multiple values in one line. Okay, so here my topic is assigning multiple values in one statement. For example, the first thing, assign same value in different variables. How? Suppose I took A equal B equals C equal 10. And if I'm going to print A, you know that A is a variable, so it will not come in quotes. But if I want to show some formatted output, I want that value of A is and comma. So my message should be come in quotes, but variable will not come in quotes, and both the things will be separate with the comma. And here I'm going to copy and only I will change the value of B and value of B, value of C and value of C. So if I want to assign same value to different variables, okay, so I could place the equal sign and now see the output. Both is showing A, B, C, it's 10. But if you want to assign different values to different variables, so in place of equal, what do you need to do? I'm making the copy and I'm pasting it here and assigning different value in different variables. So in place of equal, you will put the comma. And here, and sorry, equal 10, 20, comma 30. Any variable, any value you can assign. Control S, 5. So here you can see that value of A is 10, value of B is 20, and value of C is 30. Understood? So you can do the multiple assignments in one line. This thing is possible only in Python, not any other language is supported by this. Based on this, I'm going to explain you one program of swapping. Okay. What is the swapping? Look at here. Swapping is interchanging. Swapping of two numbers. Suppose A I took 10 and B I took 20. I want A should be 20 and B should be 10. So I need to interchange this value. So what I could do, A comma B equal B comma A. Simple. Why this thing is possible very easily? Due to the feature of multiple assignments in one statement. Understood? Understood? Simply what I have done, A comma B, that means A और B की वैल्यू अब क्या हो जानी चाहिए, B की वैल्यू जाएगी A में और A की वैल्यू जाएगी B में. Now I'm going to print after swapping, print. Here I could show the message value of A is, and here I will show the A comma A. Then I'm going to copy and paste it, and here I will use B When I took A equal 10 and B equal 20. But when I'm going to print it, it will show A equal 20 and B equal 10. Control S, 5. So A equal 20 and B equal 10. Understood? So I have done, that's why I have done swapping very easily. So it is very expressive language. With the less line of code, you can express your work. Understood? That's why Python is very user friendly.